Hi, I'm Julianne and I'm here to tell you about Open Out 2024. Do you have an idea for an outdoor arts performance? Articulture and the Wales Outdoor Arts Consortium partners across Wales have come together to offer 3 new commissions for artists in Wales who want to create and tour outdoor arts. At least one of the commissions will be given to an artist who identifies as deaf, disabled and/or neurodivergent. Artists can apply for up to £6,000. You will receive support from a producer, a mentor, a marketing professional and the Articulture team. There are additional funds to explore and embed greater audience accessibility into your work. And you will also get the opportunity to go on a visit to an established outdoor arts festival. Articulture are especially keen to hear about ideas that are performative and/or interactive, are created by artists who identify as deaf, disabled and/or neurodivergent, and have considered how to embed accessibility into their work. If the work has spoken word, it must be delivered bilingually, that's in Welsh and English, or it can be solely in the Welsh language. The lead artist must be based in Wales and the work must be intended for the outdoors. After checking you are eligible to apply, the next step is to get in touch with Articulture, who will help explore your idea and, if needed, assist with your application. You can take part in the optional Zoom sessions to find out more about how to include BSL and audio description in your work. When you're ready, fill out the application form, a video or an audio application. You will also need to provide a budget, and you can include any extra documents to help us imagine what you're proposing. The application deadline is at 12 noon on Friday, the 2nd of February 2024. Articulture will let you know if you've been chosen by the 23rd of February 2024, and you'll start developing your ideas from the 4th of March with the help of the team. You will need to be ready for a public rehearsal by the beginning of May and to go on tour by the beginning of June. If you have an idea and are thinking of applying for a commission or would like more information, contact the Articulture team to say hello. You can do this by email, phone call, text or WhatsApp. You can email me on Julianne, JULIEANN, at Articulture, ARTICULTURE hyphen Wales, WALES.co.uk, or you can phone or text me on 07890 681 212, or on Instagram, Facebook or Twitter, just search for Articulture Wales. Articulture welcomes applications from everyone, no matter what your background or experience. We can arrange for you to speak to someone in Welsh or BSL, and we'll be working closely with Taking Flight, who will help us provide support for your application process if you identify as deaf, disabled and/or neurodivergent. Please talk to us about your access needs. You can also visit Articulture's website for examples of previous commissions. #OpenOut 2024 is supported by the Arts Council of Wales, Articulture and the Wales Outdoor Arts Consortium.